Hello, we are Alex, Javier and Joel, and we are going to build a PC. Here we have all the components that we are going to use.
To start, check the motherboard and in this bus we are going to place the RAM.
Here we have the processor. Place it in the socket and close the lid with the small lever that we have right here.
Let's take some thermal paste and spread it with a thin layer on our processor.
To continue, we place the CPU heatsink just above the processor. To do this, we thicken the depths on the four sides and then turn them until it is completely attached to the motherboard.
Then we connect the CPU heatsink to the motherboard right in the small connectors that are next to the RAM.
To continue, we place the motherboard to the OR tower and screw it.
Now we put the CD player to the tower and screw it.
Then we put the hard disk and screw it just like we did with the CD player.
Then place the tower supply inside the tower and screw it.
Now connect the auxiliary power supply to the connector on the top of the heatsink.
To continue, connect the 24-pin connector to ATX to the motherboard.
Connect the ID cable to the motherboard and add the other end of the cable to the CD. And also connect the Molex connector to the head reader.
Now connect the hard drive power cable and the SATA cable to the motherboard and also to the hard disk.
Then connect the front USB cable and HD audio to the motherboard.
And finally, we verify the PC starts and everything is in operation.